Ogene, Obo Chuku nenye Wabu onyinye Chuku. Doctor dige ye Wabu onyinye Chuku. Ndowa, Michikene no Ogene. If you are not God, shut up. I keep saying these things. There are things you do not mock people about. There are things you do not mock people with. Poverty, childlessness, marriage. There are things you do not mock people. Do not even try because you don't know tomorrow. This social media app, some item of disgusting. I don't know how to explain it. Some maggots will just open their mouth, wow, and be talking nonsense. God has given you a very fine shut up. He has given you a very good reply because you are not God. If you are not God, shut up. Chai, I'm a mother. I know what it is to be a mother. And I pray for every woman on this earth that God should please allow them to experience the gift of motherhood. It's a very sweet gift. Do not mock people with anything in this life because you are not God. I am a living witness. I was mocked. Yes, I was. I keep saying it. Don't mock anybody because my God get final say. Look at how beautiful Chizzy is looking.
Omo, if you have watched to this very moment, thank you so much for engaging. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you for your love, your support. I do not take that for granted. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. You can call me your Amiibo head girl. Hello. There is no gist that will pass me by. Like, I dey give tori wey dey boss medulla. Hello. So please do well to like, comment, share my videos. It dey give me one kind encouragement to continue. And please don't forget to turn on that post notification button so whenever I drop tori like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget to type that congratulations to our Nollywood diva actress Chizzy Alichi Mba. God, hey God, now God they give children. Like actress Onye said, don't mock anybody. If you are not God, shut up. Don't mock anybody. If you are not in the shoe of anybody, don't mock the person. Let this be a lesson to everybody. And if you are a TCC mom and you're watching those videos, believe in God. Your wait will soon be over. There is time for everything. There is reason why God wants you to wait. Trust in God. Believe me, you will testify very soon. Okay guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye.